Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr, taking you through that August 10th forecast. And it is August 10th, which means we are now exactly 1 month away from the climatological peak of hurricane season in the Atlantic Basin. You see where we are today, and things really start to pick up as we go through the next several weeks. We are not immune to tropical systems across the tri-state. Remember, Helene last year really pounded us with all that heavy rainfall and those gusty winds. But this year so far have been very, very quiet. Just 4 named storms. All of them have only been tropical storms, no hurricanes yet. But there are some signs that the Atlantic Basin might be starting to wake up. This is a very long-range model that we're looking at here. We're talking about next Monday, so 8 days out, but the European and the GFS, the 2 pretty big global climate models, are each showing the potential for a tropical system pretty much in the same spot. Is not expected to impact the U.S., I think, as of right now. Maybe could cause some issues for Bermuda and shipping traffic, but this could be our first actual hurricane in the Atlantic Basin, a sure sign that things might be picking up for hurricane season over the next several weeks. Now, no hurricane conditions today, just lots of sunshine with afternoon puffy cumulus clouds, maybe a stray shower, but most of us will be dry. As we put Futurecast into motion here, you see that very brief window between about 5 and 6 or 5 and 7 of a sprinkle. But again, the majority of us will stay dry. We'll be quiet through the overnight hours. A muggy start to our Monday. For some of you, there are a couple of districts headed back to school on Monday. And you see by Monday, the lunch hour right back into the mid-80s. So we'll call it 92 today. Most of the day will be spent in the 80s, but we could climb into the lower 90s for an hour or 2 this afternoon and early this evening. But a very typical August day. Muggy and pretty quiet tonight. Upper 60s and lower 70s by Monday morning with some passing clouds. A cold front is expected to get closer to us as we get toward the middle part of the week. That will increase our instability and a much better chance, especially on Wednesday, for those afternoon and evening pop-up showers and downpours. Temperatures, though, they are going to remain right around average at least through the next 7 days.